Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm going to do a quick video talking about the S2 jaw, cutting single-sided keys. Think you're kind of your residential, commercial keys like Kwikset and Schlage. For our example here, we're going to be using a Defiant cylinder on the Kwikset KW1 keyway. And so to get started, I'm going to go to Favorites, go to Search up here, and start typing Kwikset. There it is. And we're working on a 5-pin lock. Go ahead and input our bidding real quick here. We're at 25635. Hit OK, and we'll go to cut. And there's actually two different ways that this thing can cut the keys. See where it says cut shape right here. Or you can actually laser cut the key, or you can plunge cut the key. On plunge cut, think like the how an HPC Blitz machine would cut a key. So we'll just cut it both ways. You can see we'll start with laser cutting it. So we head over to the jaw here. And I'll take our key blank, and it's a shoulder stop key, so we'll get that chucked up in there on the B side. And we'll hit cut, and let the machine do its thing real quick here. Alright, so there's our laser cut key. And make sure it works here. Works beautiful. And we'll go ahead and we'll do a plunge cut key now, and I'll show you the difference. So we'll jump back over to the tablet and we'll hit cut, switch it to plunge cut. We'll get our key back in the vise under the key blank here. Nice and clamped in there. And we'll go ahead and do a cut it plunge cut style this time. Alright, and there's plunge cut. So on plunge cut, the cutter just cuts and then it moves away when it goes to the next space, then plunges back in to cut the key. On the laser cut, it just kind of drags across the entire thing here. So we'll test it out, make sure it works. And of course it works beautifully. And let me go ahead and show you the difference in the two here. So on the bottom we have our plunge cut key, and on the top here we have our laser cut key. And you can see here, you got the little ridges here like you'd see on a Blitz, because the cutter moves away and then then plunges back in. On the laser cut there, it just drags across the key. It doesn't actually lift up when it moves to the different spaces. It just goes directly through each space. So that's the difference here. Just kind of looks different, and they both function fine. I kind of like the way laser cut keys look. I think it looks kind of cool personally, but you can cut them either way. And I guess I really don't have too much else on this. If you guys have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.